Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a Beauty Big Bang stamping plates review video for you. I already showed you some Christmas stamping plates that I received from Beauty Big Bang for review. So thank you so much Beauty Big Bang for sending those to me. And today I will also show you some of their plates for their Black Friday sales. These plates were also sent to me from Beauty Big Bang, and I will make sure that I link for you everything in the description box. They also have a special link for their Black Friday and Christmas sales. So if you click on those links, those will take you to already discounted products on their website. And the Black Friday sales started on November 25th, and the Christmas sales will start on December 22nd. I also have my own discount code that you can use, that's Judita, and you can use it on all of their products at checkout. In case if you are interested in purchasing any of the plates that I will show you today, or plates that I already shown you on my channel before, you can just use the discount code on those. So what I will do in today's video, I will show you some close-ups to all of these 5 stamping plates, and then I will also swatch them for you. Someone commented on one of my previous videos that they would like to also see the size of them on my nails or one of those sticks. Unfortunately, I do not have any right now that I can really use for those purposes, and my nails are really short. So what I will do, I will at least measure the designs for you. That way you have a better idea on the size, and once I repurchase those sticks, I will start again using them for my swatches. I know I have been slacking for a while, but I'm hoping to get back to also stamping some of the designs on the sticks. That way you see the proportion of the designs. In general, Beauty Big Bang plates are taller and skinnier. Again, there are different ways how you can also adjust designs, not only the size that is on the plate itself. I have been rambling a lot. I will now jump into showing you the close-ups and swatches, and then I will come back and share some final thoughts with you on these stamping plates from Beauty Big Bang. guys, what were your thoughts on these stamping plates from Beauty Big Bang? I think they are absolutely beautiful. I would 100% recommend you to get them. As I said, the Black Friday sales are already on and you can get really good discounts on their stamping plates and of course other products that they carry on their website. And the Christmas sale will start on December 22nd, but I will have everything for you linked in the description box, so please make sure that you check it out if you are interested in purchasing any of these plates or if you are interested in general in Beauty Big Bang product. These were sent to me for reviews. I am very grateful to Beauty Big Bang for sending them to me, and this is my honest opinion. I really enjoy them, and I probably own most of Beauty Big Bang stamping plates at this point, either purchased by myself or sent from the company. I would definitely recommend you checking it out, especially when you're starting out. They do have really nice designs on their plates. They are really good quality, and as you could see, they stamp without any problems. 100% 10 thumbs up from me for this small set that I showed you today. You can also use my code Judita at your checkout, but they do have already discounted products at the website under the link that will be in the description box. You can of course save some more money with my code on other items. I am very happy, and thank you so much Beauty Big Bang for sending these to me. Let me know what are your thoughts, if you purchased anything from Beauty Big Bang, and what is your experience with their plates. And I believe that's it from me for right now, so if you have any questions or comments, please leave them for me in the comment section. Don't forget to thumbs up my video if you do like review videos, and also hit the subscribe button before you leave. I would really appreciate it. So thank you so much guys for being here today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will be back for you with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.